Tesla's China factory shipments tick higher in February from January. That's according to preliminary data from China's Passenger Car Association. Here with the details on Tesla's presence in China is Yahoo Finance's Pras Subramanian. Hey, Pras.
How you doing, Rochelle? So strong China sales here. Investors like to see that sales up 32% from a year ago to 74,400 units or thereabout. That's about a 13% jump from January. So, overall, not a surprise. The Chinese new energy market, meaning cars that are hybrids or EVs, supposed to be up 30% in February. So not surprising that Tesla is doing well here. But, remember in January, they cut prices for both Model 3 and Model Y. And that being said, their market share actually fell from 9 to 10% from a year ago. This, as competition from BYD, their big rival that heats up. BYD seeing their share jump up 37 to 37% from 27% because they sell these cheaper hybrids and smaller EVs. But Tesla is more concentrated on the higher end luxury end of the market. So that's why you're seeing sales jump here, but not as much as a BYD, for example.
And of course, Tesla's always going to have its loyalists. So among individual investors, Tesla stock is still the talk of the town. What can you tell us there?
Yeah, and looking closer to home here, Rochelle, the journal citing data from Banda Research finds that retail investors spent $13.6 billion on Tesla stock up this year so far. That's approaching the $17 billion that they had spent all of last year. So really huge numbers here. Retail investors spending big on Tesla here. And we saw the stock, pump up about 55% this year. So that's part of that enthusiasm we're seeing. That's why the stock price moved up. Now, many bought ahead of Tesla's big investor day on Wednesday. Apparently, Banda says 500 million in Tesla shares were bought before the event. Stock then fell 6% after that because there was sort of a muted enthusiasm for what they were disclosed there. But Tesla fans seem to they're not going to sell. There's a high conviction right there for these retail investors. They like holding on for the long term. Plus, the journal notes that there's also heavy interest in Tesla options market. Deep out of the money options are very popular here. Those types of trades. So it seems like the lottery ticket type trades are in vogue, at least for Tesla investors at the moment.
That's interesting. Even despite not really getting what they wanted out of that investor day, still bullish in the long term, it seems. Pras Subramanian, thank you for that update.